Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. Now the IBPS SO exam is coming soon. There are only 30 days remaining for IBPS SO Prelims. In this video, I'm going to talk about that exam. I'm going to tell you how you can better use your last 30 days. At the same time, I'm going to inform you about a crash course for IBPS SO Prelims. This is a 30 days crash course with regular classes on various topics which are there in the prelims. As per the calendar, your prelim exam is on 30th or 31st of December. So you have 30 days starting tomorrow. And your mains exam is on 28th of January. There are 3 subjects: English language, reasoning, general awareness with special reference to banking industry. There are 50 questions in each subject and English is of 25 marks, reasoning and general awareness of 50 marks. So maximum marks are 125. This is the live class plan of the crash course. If you are interested in this crash course, if you want guidance, you can enroll here. If not, then you can use this course to see for the weekly plan to see what you have to study on a weekly basis. The classes marked in yellow are of quant. And since quant is not in your topic, you need not join these classes or refer to the quantitative aptitude classes. Just focus on GA, English and reasoning. The quant classes are for IBPS, SOIT and AFO students. So on 1st of December, you will have class of GA, English and reasoning. On 4th, again GA, reasoning. Then on 5th, GA, English, reasoning, and you will see which all topics are there. So on a daily basis, you can prepare all these topics. Keep your Saturday, Sundays for practice for attempting mock tests and prepare these topics on a daily basis, on a regular weekly basis, which are mentioned in the plan. You can download this class schedule from the description. You can use it as your study plan to have a directed preparation to know what you need to revise, what you need to study on a daily basis. Now let's move to the prelims cutoff. How many marks should you be targeting? Should you be keeping in mind? Should you be scoring in the mock test? There is sectional cutoff present in the prelims exam. This has been the sectional cutoff of English 6, 4, 7.5, 10.5 and 10.5. So make sure out of 25, at least you are getting 11-12 marks over here in English so that you are able to clear the sectional cutoff. Now, if you see in reasoning, out of 50, 12.25, 14, 7.5, 10 and 11.25 has been the sectional cutoff. So here out of 50, target at least 15, 16 marks. Then from general awareness, out of 50, the cutoff has been considerably less. 8.25, 8.75, 8.5, 5.75, 5.75. So here target somewhere around 15 again. And the overall cutoff has been from the range 50 to 55. So you should target at least 55-60% marks in your mock test. Out of 125, somewhere score near about 65 to 70. This will help you handle the difficulty level in the exam and also give you a little bit of confidence that you will definitely be able to clear the prelims exam. Take a screenshot and print it out. Keep this on your table and make sure that you are scoring somewhere above the overall cutoff and the sectional cutoffs. As I was saying, somewhere around 65 to 70 out of 125 could be a very good score in the mock test and will give you a little bit of confidence that you will be able to crack the prelims exam. So that's all. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below or you can reach out to us on this number. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.